Hello, my name is Juan Felipe Monguileon. I am 18 years old. I live in Plan de Tolima. I study industrial engineering. Today, I am going to share with you my daily routine. I get up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth, and after getting up, I have breakfast at 8 a.m. I do housework from 8 and 13 to 10 a.m. I study from 10 a.m. to 20 p.m. I take a half-hour break and at 20:13 p.m. I take a bath and get organized for work. I start working from 1 p.m. to 9 p.m. However, I take a break at approximately 2 and 13 p.m. for lunch. After work, I prepare dinner and at approximately 10 p.m. I have dinner and rest until 10 and 13 p.m. and then I go to sleep at 11 p.m. Almost always. And the images I choose for this video are Imagine C, and Imagine E, where in Imagine C we can see a woman talking on the phone very seriously and wearing a light green blouse. And in Imagine E, you can see a man wearing a suit with a gray jacket, with shirt and gray tee. This man speaks with a microphone in his hand and from a pulpit. Thank you very much for your attention.